Hey guys, it's your girl Shala and my daughter Letitia. Oh yeah, I drove all the way to Panama City Beach, Florida to surprise her with her new door hanging board. Oh yeah, y'all come on in and watch and get her reaction. Oh yeah, baby, where my oh yeah baby's at? Oh yeah, here's a journey on how I got it all started. Hey guys, it's your girl Shala and my daughter Letitia, and I made her a door wall hanging, and I brought it all the way to Panama City just so she can have it, and I see her reaction when she opened it up. So, all right. When I came here earlier, she said, "Mama, I wasn't done cleaning up. You came too early."
Yeah.
I said, "I have to come where I can drive in the daylight." Say hi to everybody.
Hey guys.
Oh, give me that rubber band. I'm keeping my rubber band too, y'all. Oh, nope. The bow we'll put on once we put it on, once we hang it on your door.
Oh. I like it.
Mm-hmm. I made it like a little rough texture because I wanted to, you know.
I like that.
Yeah.
It's different.
I know, because it's made Shala's Creations way.
Yay. I like the purple in it.
Mm-hmm. I know purple your favorite color.
Yeah, I really like this. Looks like really good. Put a lot of detail work into it too, see? I'm ready to put it up.
All right. And put it around the back. See how I did the back? See? I knew it was going to be outside. I didn't want to put the wire hanging on there.
Right.
I did 3-tier. Because guess what? A 3-fold cord is not easily broken.
Right.
So that's why I did 3 cords. Okay. Yeah. See that?
Okay.
Yeah. See how I wrapped that on up in there? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I really like that.
Oh, thank you. Let's go put it on your door.
Okay.
All right. Oh, you had a little wall. You had a little thing right there on your thing.
What, do you want me to put it on that?
No, go ahead. Go. I want you to put it on the thing too. Yes, go ahead and put it on there.
So this hangs on the...
No, the other way. Like that.
That?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Just right on top.
Perfect.
All right. You want to come outside or you want me to do it?
No, it's good. Just go ahead and do it right there.
Very strange. There.
Now, where is your bow? Get your bow. See this little hook right here? Got that little hook thing right there. So you slide that little plastic hook on the on there. And you can just adjust it how you want to. But also have another one of these little tie things to make sure, because of the wind, we don't want it to blow off.
Right.
So I have one of the extra tie things that's gonna tie down. Yeah.
Tie where?
So I'll on the top, I'll do it. Hold the camera. Let's see.
Yeah, that I really like that.
Oh, I'm glad you like it, guys. Glad you like it.
And it looks like nature.
Yeah, that's what I want it to look like. Earthy, because you're an earthy girl.
Yep.
Let me see. I want to do this. Hold on.
Okay. I need to go to Walmart.
You need to go to Walmart?
Yes.
All right, let me see.
I like your hair thing too.
Thank you, girl. I had to wrap this up. I was I ain't gonna get no double head cold.
You washed it again?
No, yeah, but when I take a shower, my hair be wet, you know.
Oh yeah. Need me to do something?
Just gotta get me here. And then it looks. You can cut this or you can let it stay on there. I think let it stay on there just in case.
Yeah. All right, let's come out. Close the door. Let's see. Look.
Okay. You got your key?
The door's not locked.
Oh, okay.
I don't think so. Nah, you gotta lock it out here. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Look how the light glitz it.
You like
Thank
it?
you, Mommy. Yes.
Now let's go up there and let me take a picture of you being up there with it. And welcome.
Oh,
All right.
my hair and stuff.
All right, and there she has it.
Yeah, I really like this.
Well, I'm glad you did. All right, that's her board. And it's weather protected. You ain't gotta worry about no rain messing in
I
nothing.
see how where it looked like the wood in there. See that?
I put a little purple spot over that.
Oh,
that was the part I didn't paint, and then for the part I didn't paint, I just put little thing.
Gotcha.
See, you can't hardly even tell that the wood is even underneath here. See how I did the size?
Oh,
I don't know if you can see how I did the size.
you got it lined up there at the top, and down here a little bit.
And then on here on this side too.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. And I have it textured. You like how I got it textured? That took a little bit
I
of.
like this.
I wanted to look like
Natural
pebbles
granite,
or
kinda.
something like
Yeah.
Because of what I did with the polyurethane, I got some of it and I let it start getting a little hard to where it almost looked like a doughy texture. And then I got my hands with the glove and I took it and smeared it all right. It was real thick and I smeared it all on there. And some of them were kind of glassing up a little bit. I'm like, perfect.
Right.
And then the last two layers were just plain regular polyurethane. Yeah. Now you can adjust the bow however you want to adjust your bow too.
No, I was just seeing how that stays up.
And I took two parts of a bow that I made and I put it together as one. So like this part right here, that's one loop. And this right here is another loop, and I took both the knotted parts and I put them together.
Okay.
Made sure creations way.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. And I made TT one for her. Yeah, you like to see how I did the butterfly?
Yeah.
Actually, I was gonna do a flower, but I said, you know what? I'll turn this into a butterfly. So I made it out of a butterfly instead.
Yeah, I like this.
Nature. And then I did the little swirls, the little patch of the different colors that I made in your box. Now this part right here, underneath here, I painted it white.
Okay.
And then
lighter.
I painted this right here. That's actually like a white, and then I did a black and a black and white, and then I made like a little grayish tint to it, and then I put that on top of there, and then that's when I start building on the letters and stuff. That's why I asked you, because I said, was there any other words you want to put on there?
Right.
I was gonna put it at the top, but then you said no, so I said okay, so I do the top part orange. Yeah, I'm glad you like it, Tisha. Now you got your welcome sign.
I like it. It got a lot going on.
And it's protected front and back from the rain.
Good.
You can sit that thing in. You can sit that thing in water, and ain't no water going through there. Not at all.
Yeah, that looks really good. Everybody go